Hi guys, today we're making Khao Soi. It's a Lao noodle dish that has layers of flavors. I'm starting out by making the broth. I'm using about 18 to 20 cups of water and 2 to 3 pounds of pork neck bones. Add a whole onion split, cilantro stems, season with 1.5 tablespoons of salt and 1 teaspoon of MSG, that's optional, and also 1 head of garlic. Bring it to a boil, reduce the heat, and let it simmer for 30 to 45 minutes. To make the pork topping, I'm starting by rehydrating 4 to 6 dried Thai chilies in hot water for about 15 minutes or so. I will pound those rehydrated chilies with 4 cloves of garlic in a mortar and pestle. You can also do this in a food processor. If you like it spicier, add more chilies. Boเผ็ดบ่แซ่บแม่นบ่ Next, heat a wok or saute pan over medium-high heat. Add about 1/4 cup of vegetable or canola oil. Let that heat up until it's searing hot. And then we'll add our garlic chili paste that we just pounded. And let it cook until it's fragrant. It's very quick. Then add about 2 cups of chopped tomatoes. You can use any variety you like or any you have on hand. I'm using Campari tomatoes here. The soybean paste that's typically found in the northern region of Laos is a very simple soybean fermented in salt. So I chose this Korean one, which has the same simple ingredients. I'm using about 1/2 cup of the soybean paste. We'll let this cook for a little bit and let those tomatoes break down a little. And then we'll add a pound of ground pork to soak up all that flavor. We'll add some seasoning, a teaspoon of salt, 1/2 teaspoon of MSG, optional, 1 teaspoon of paprika, and a tablespoon of sugar just to balance everything out. We'll let it cook for another 4 to 6 minutes until the pork is completely cooked through. And this will be served with pho noodles. So I've soaked about a 14-ounce package here. I'll boil that according to the package instructions. And then I'll serve with the broth and then the pork topping on top. You can also top it with bean sprouts or mint. I like it simply with scallions and cilantro. This is a nice warm dish to add to your fall rotation. I hope you enjoy. Thanks for watching. For this recipe and more, visit craftcrumbs.com.